Looking to take a break from TikTok? You can easily deactivate your account temporarily on your Android phone. In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process. So let's dive in. So open your TikTok app, then tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Now tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. After that, tap on Account, tap on Deactivate or Delete Account. Now you will get two options: deactivate account and delete account permanently. Since you want to deactivate TikTok temporarily, select Deactivate Account. Now you will see a message prompt explaining to you what will happen if you deactivate this account. Basically, no one will see your account or content while it's deactivated. TikTok will still keep some of the data visible, like direct messages sent before and similar things. And you can always reactivate your account and recover all its content by using the same login details you use for your account. Make sure to read all the details. After that, hit deactivate and confirm your action. From then on, your account will be deactivated. So folks, that's how you can temporarily deactivate your TikTok account on Android. I hope this video was helpful and made the process easier for you. If it did, don't forget to drop a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need further help. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.